Welcome back to Health and Wellness Channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects all of us: kidney health. Maintaining kidney health is essential for overall well-being, and incorporating specific foods into your diet can make a significant difference. So let's get started and take a closer look at these kidney-friendly foods. Parsley is not just for garnishing your dishes, it's a powerful kidney cleanser. This humble herb is packed with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and K, and essential minerals that help flush out toxins and support kidney function. By incorporating parsley into your diet, you can help your kidneys filter out more waste efficiently. One simple way to enjoy the benefits of parsley is by adding it to your salads, soups, or smoothies. Parsley is also known for its diuretic properties, which means it increases urine production, helping your body eliminate waste more effectively. Watermelon is a hydrating fruit that is excellent for kidney health. It contains high amounts of water, which helps in flushing out toxins from your kidneys, keeping them clean and functioning optimally. Apart from being hydrating, watermelon is rich in lycopene, an antioxidant that supports kidney function and protects against kidney damage. Enjoying a slice of watermelon on a hot day can be both refreshing and beneficial for your kidneys. Cranberries are well known for their role in preventing urinary tract infections, but did you know they also play a crucial role in cleansing your kidneys? These tiny berries are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that help maintain a healthy urinary tract and reduce the risk of kidney stones. The compounds found in cranberries, such as proanthocyanidins, prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the chances of infection. Adding a handful of cranberries to your oatmeal, salads, or smoothies is an easy and delicious way to support your kidney health. Chapter 4. Garlic, the superfood for kidneys. Garlic is a powerhouse of health benefits, and this extends to kidney health as well. Known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, garlic helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress on the kidneys. Adding garlic to your meals not only enhances the flavor, but also provides your kidneys with the support they need. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, which are beneficial for maintaining healthy kidneys. You can incorporate garlic into your diet in various ways. Add it to your soups, stews, stir-fries, or even roast it for a milder flavor. Chapter 5. Celery, the detoxifying snack. Celery is not just a low-calorie snack, it's great for detoxifying your kidneys. This crunchy vegetable is rich in essential nutrients and antioxidants that help eliminate toxins from your body. One of the main benefits of celery is its diuretic properties, which increase urine production and help flush out toxins from the kidneys. You can enjoy celery as a snack with your favorite dip, add it to salads, or juice it for a refreshing drink. Chapter 6. Apples, the fiber-rich fruit. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and this saying holds true when it comes to kidney health. Apples are high in fiber and antioxidants, which support kidney health and help reduce the risk of kidney stones. Incorporating apples into your diet can be as simple as eating them fresh, adding them to salads, or baking them for a healthy dessert. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for an apple and give your kidneys a boost. Chapter 7. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Blueberries may be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to kidney health. These tiny berries are rich in antioxidants and nutrients that help cleanse your kidneys and protect them from damage. You can enjoy blueberries fresh, frozen, or dried, making them a versatile addition to your meals. Including these antioxidant-rich berries in your diet is a delicious way to support your kidney health and enjoy a tasty treat at the same time. Chapter 8. Cucumber, the ultimate hydrator. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating and help in flushing out toxins from your kidneys. Their high water content makes them an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet, as staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function. Including cucumbers in your diet can help prevent kidney stones and support a healthy urinary tract. You can enjoy cucumbers in a variety of ways. Add them to salads, make a refreshing cucumber water, or simply eat them as a crunchy snack. Chapter 9. Lemon water, the Citrate Booster. Starting your day with a glass of lemon water can do wonders for your kidneys. Lemons are high in citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones and supports overall kidney function. Drinking lemon water regularly helps maintain an alkaline environment in the body, which is beneficial for kidney health. To make lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water and drink it first thing in the morning. And there you have it, the top 9 foods that will cleanse your kidneys fast. Incorporate these into your diet to support your kidney health naturally. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Health with Arshad for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.